everyone. I'm here to tell you about how the endoplasmic reticulum is a beloved part of our cellular community. First up, we have a story coming from a human liver. Hi there, I'm a human liver and I came to share a story about how the endoplasmic reticulum has made my life easier. As you may know, the job of a human liver is to process toxins. Well, what you may not know is that this is only possible because of the endoplasmic reticulum. You see, the endoplasmic reticulum turns all of those products into water-soluble products so then they can be digested. Thank you, human liver, for sharing your story. If you don't want to suffer from toxins in your body, then you should vote for endoplasmic reticulum. It could be life or death. Now I'm going to share with you a few quotes from other parts of the cell who wish to remain anonymous as to not be seen as disloyal. A nucleus reported to us, "That ER takes a load off my back each day by transporting those ribosomes away." A vesicle claimed, "A lot of my job revolves around the endoplasmic reticulum giving me stuff to transport to or whatever." Sadly, we weren't able to get any chloroplast or mitochondria to self-report because they're too self-empowered. Now finally, on a very serious note, we have a true story coming from a cell whose ER saved its life. Hello, I'm a eukaryotic cell and I'm here to share my story. I was so close to triggering apoptosis. That's the programmed death of a cell, all because some misbehaving protein was folded weirdly. But thanks to the endoplasmic reticulum, I'm still alive today. That miscreant protein was refolded properly and my cell life was saved. Please, if you're hearing my story, vote for the endoplasmic reticulum to save my life and countless other cell lives just like mine.
There are so many reasons on why the endoplasmic reticulum is the best candidate, but there are also a lot of reasons why the other candidates are undeserving or they're not worth the risk. Starting with chloroplast. Chloroplast is really easily damaged when it's put under stress, and when it's damaged it can produce ROS, which is a harmful reactive oxygen species. This doesn't seem worth it to have it in the position if it's going to release ROS. Moving on to the cytoskeleton. The cytoskeleton can cause cardiovascular diseases, neurodegenerative diseases, cancer, and even skin diseases. Next, we have mitochondria. When mitochondria malfunctions, it can be linked to, ready for the list, diabetes, heart disease, Alzheimer's, Parkinson's, and even just changes in the aging process. These are a lot of risks, so why would you want to choose that as your candidate if it has all of those side effects? Moving on to the nucleus. The nucleus is not very consistent, and a consistent candidate is a good candidate. Sometimes it causes harm to the cell's mutation, and the nucleus can also cause premature aging. Next, we have the ribosomes. Ribosomes are essential for life, they have that right, but mutations in them can cause disorders like bone marrow failure, early anemia, and elevate the cancer risk. Lastly, we have vesicles. Vesicles can contain harmful material like waste products and can transport malfunctions in the system. When this happens, there's a higher risk of disease and genetic effects. Clearly, this shows that the endoplasmic reticulum is the best candidate because the other candidates just have too many risks, and this is a chance we're not willing to take.
Other organelles may claim that they are better, but we'll give you the facts. Welcome to the endoplasmic reticulum, and here's why you should vote for us. We are the backbone of lots of important functions. Located outside of the nucleus, the rough endoplasmic reticulum, or ER, creates and synthesizes proteins. This is important because these very proteins are carried outside of the cell and used in many functions of the organism, such as metabolism and regulation. The ribosomes on the walls of the ER contribute to this. The ER doesn't consist of just that, however. The smooth ER, located just outside of the rough ER, also has important contributions. In the liver, it detoxifies any drugs or harmful waste that enters the organism. It also synthesizes lipids, one being cholesterol. This is an important lipid as it helps maintain the structure of the fluid cell membrane. Because of the location of the ER, you can trace the pathway of proteins in the organism to us. This would mean that if we weren't here, there would be no proteins for the organism to even function.